Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Today we are going to discuss how we can create account on Twitter. So this is I already installed in my cell phone Twitter. I am going to open this. It's being loaded. Now I will click on create. Then I have to put the name. So I will put the name of my second channel. So guys, I have put it the name of Noor Zainab official of my channel. So if you want to put the number, so you can put the number, but I am not going to put the number. Instead I am going to use the Gmail account. So you can also use the Gmail account. So I have put it the Gmail account. So I am going to do the next as well as do the next, and we can sign up now easily, Then they will send you the code on your Gmail ID or your cell phone number. If you will put the cell phone number, so they send me verification code, so they will send you can add it. So I have put it the Gmail account. Now I am going to put the password. I have put it the Gmail verification code from my Gmail account. So guys, now I have put it the password. Now I am going to next. Now you can put the profile picture, or if you want to do the next, you can do the next. I am not uploading the profile picture now. So somehow I have put it my biography, describe yourself, so I have put it here. They are asking about in which you are interested. You can click history or politics or general knowledge, entertainment, lifestyle, arts and culture, one politics. So we can click gaming, fun, trending, and technology, tech news, whatever you want you can click here. Lecture. Okay, so you can do the next here, and they will give you suggestion if you want to follow, so you can follow, and it's up to you. I'm going to next, not following someone else. Send you message about add language, then click on English, Urdu, and do the next. Or maybe something wrong, try again. Now we can continue from here easily and get started. You can do it very well. Okay, so still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so kindly like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.